Alright guys, Big Roy here. I have just went for my appointment in Sengkang GH, and yeah, so stopping my mom at for a knitting class. So we are at Serangoon North, block 153 for lunch. So checking this place out. Apparently it looks damn good. That's why I'm doing this video. So check this out, man. So the humble store is there. One small little store on there at the corner. As you can see, it's very untidy over here. Yeah, very untidy. Okay, so this is what I ordered. 卤肉饭. Wow, looks good, man. Check this out. Man, check this out. Chicken rendang rice. Then there's egg. There's egg below and everything. So I'm gonna try. Try a little bit. Yeah. Check this out, man. Check this out. Chicken rendang, Chicken rendang. Wow. This rendang is Nonya style. So there are a lot of spices inside. Lemongrass, galangal. Wow, the rendang, the spices is so powerful. Hits you straight when you taste it. Wow, damn nice. Alright, now it's the 卤肉饭 time. Okay, let's take a little bit of this with the gamcai. Okay, quite fatty, quite fatty. Check this out, man. 卤肉饭. Oh, the color doesn't seem like it's blue enough, right? But wow, it's actually not bad. It's very soft, melts in your mouth. Comes with an egg, and you know what? It's only $4. Same goes for the chicken rendang rice, also $4 only. So come and check this out. I'll put the address below, and come and support local, man.